Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix turbo mode unavailable on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. If the turbo mode isn't available, then you may want to make sure that the temperature of your bowl does not exceed 60 degrees Celsius. Above 60 degrees Celsius, it will not be available. You may want to then remove the ingredients from your bowl, and if you want to cool it down quickly, either just remove the lid or remove the bowl from the base station, rinse it with cold water, then dry it with a paper towel, and that should immediately turn the temperature of the bowl down. Remember not to use a wet bowl, especially if it's wet from the bottom. Do not insert it into your base station. And that should fix the issue, and your turbo mode, which is right here, should be available now. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.